Lately, I've been wondering how we could actually have a composable UI. And I think this project will be, if the developers like it, the Moonshot Scaffold Starter Kit for production apps. So what it contains is actually a website, a dApp, a server, and a hard hat folder, as we know on Scaffold. So in addition to the React app, there's actually the web folder, and it's using Chakra UI. So it's based on theming, which makes it super easy for other projects to fork the repo and then just change the theme file and put down their own brand identity. So for example, this is using the quadratic lens and kind of Solarpunk green and white for the light theme. And yeah, it's a basic website that is responsive, contains a FAQ, and basically it just redirects to the app, and the app actually uses the same theme as the website, so that there's a consistency between the dApp and the website. So I'll quickly show you a bit how it works in the structure. There's just this web folder that is a Next.js app instead of React, and there's a Next SEO config file that we can just fill in, like the name of the project, the description, the link to the like the current link or the link to the dApp, and then it's just gonna switch everything on the front end, and it's indexed and performant. Then we have the UI folder that is going to be the shared theme between the web and the dApp. And eventually, we would have a branch containing the JSON schemas if we were to use a ceramic. But that's essentially it. Scaffold with the hard hat folder in a Next.js version for the front end with Chakra UI. And like, let's say another project used this, and all they would have to do is change the colors here in the theme or create their own theme if they think that's something they want to focus on.
Oh, so in efforts of making things hella forkable, we want the starter kit to be hella themable too. So it's too super white labelable for anyone to take tip.party and turn it into their kind of thing.
Exactly. And like I've used that starter to also do memes party, and it just took me like 2 days to change the theme. Other than that, it was good to go.